My dear friends, today we have reached ninth day of second Dhyana Mahila Chakra. Here is our Patrice's message on this ninth day. My dear friends, my dear masters, my dear gods, the most important thing you have to understand is your physical body. Your physical body is your creation. You can bend it, you can mold it, you can do anything you want with your physical body. Your body is your instrument. Friends, your body is your instrument. You created your body. It can bend any way you like. You can play with it. You can play with your body. You need to know your body. You have to understand your physical body. Your physical body is like your flute. You can play on it. Your physical body is like your violin. You can play on it. Your physical body is like your sitar. You can play on it. How many days this flute will stay? It will stay forever as long as you take care of it. If you drop down, it will break it. Otherwise, it will stay. If you take care of this flute with utmost care, it will stay even 1,000 years. Your body is like this flute. It will also stay forever. How many days that violin will stay? How many days that sitar will stay? If you don't spoil it, it will stay forever. Similarly, if we do not harm our body, it will stay forever. We have to maintain this physical body for thousands of years. We have to change our thinking about our body. That is spirituality. We get old-aged if we think we get old age. This is all depends upon our thoughts, friends. We get diseases because of bad karmas. Body is getting diseases because of our lack of wisdom. We are getting illness or diseases because of bad karma we did. If we do all good karma, our body will not get any sickness. If our thoughts are good, we will not get old at all. If we plan properly, this body can live up to 1,000 years happily, friends. We have to think that there is no death at all. We are Brahma of our physical body. We are Vishnu of our physical body. We are Shiva of our physical body. We are the creators of our physical body. We are feeding and making it alive like Vishnu of our physical body. We are making it lion of this physical body whenever we want to. If we do not want it to get it in lion, we can keep it forever. We have to change our thinking about this physical body. We have to think, if we think corona will come, it will come. If we think corona won't come, it won't come. If you think cancer will come, it will come. If you think cancer won't come, it will not come. If you think BP won't come, it won't come. If you think BP will come, it will come. This is all depends upon our thinking, friends. If you think old age, you will get old age. If you think old age will never touch you, then old age will never come. You think, as you think, your physical body reacts, friends. Ed bhavam tad bhavati. Your thinking can make your body. Your thinking can make your body. Else it will have all the diseases, friends. You create your own reality. This is the latest statement. You are the creator of your life. Whatever you think, it will happen. During these corona times, if we think that we cannot do 11 days of Dhyana Mahila Chakra, we would not have been done it. But we thought we can do it. So we are able to do this second Dhyana Mahachakra for 11 days. If we think who will come for this Dhyana Mahachakra, then we would not have done it. But we have invited all the people we want to invite. All of them came. How many we want? We have invited. How many we want them to come? They all came here. Our body is also like that, friends. Whatever we think, it will happen. I will live another 1,000 years. I will live for another 1,000 years. This is my wish. It is my wish. Is it not your wish too? We can change our thinking. Thinking is a software, friends. Our body is hardware. We have sitara. Which ragam it will come in this? Whatever you play, that ragam will come, right? How many days you want it will come, all the ragams? Any number of days that you play, these ragams will be played by this sitara. So, if you think that you can live 1,000 years, then yes, you can live for 1,000 years. If you think that I will die tomorrow, then you may die tomorrow. Physical body is also like this, friends. It is your violin, it is your flute, it is your mridangam. You can play any number of years. As long as you are taking care of it, without it can play. Does anyone will stop if you want to play flute? No, friends. No one will stop you. All will enjoy my flute if I play for 1,000 years. It is also like it. My body is also like that, friends. Will you be happy if I play flute for 1,000 years? Yes, right? So let us all live for 1,000 years. So we take an oath that we will stay for 1,000 years. We want 1,000 years. Who want 1,000 years? Raise your hands. 1,000 years, 1,000 years, 1,000 years, 1,000 years, 1,000 years. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let us all keep in silence for 5 minutes with only one thought in your mind, friends. I will stay in this life for 1,000 years. I am the creator of my physical body. I am the creator of my physical body. I am the creator of this physical body. No disease will come. No illness will come. No old age will come. 1,000 years, friends, change your software. Change your thinking. As you think, it becomes. 5 minutes, friends. Absolute silence. We will do dhyana in this Mahila Dhyana Mahachakra for next 1,000 years also. We will celebrate this Mahila Dhyana Mahachakras for next 1,000 years. Our body is our wish. Our body will stay 1,000 years. My tabla will stay 1,000 years. My violin will stay 1,000 years. This is the mantra. Friends, this is mantra. We will all stay 1,000 years. My keyboard will play 1,000 years. I'll play this keyboard for 1,000 years and make you all happy. It is my wish, my life, my wish. Yad bhavam tad bhavati. Change your thinking. Revise your thinking, friends. Upgrade your thinking. Reform your thinking. I am going to stay in this physical body for next 1,000 years. That is true spirituality. I can play with this instrument the way I want to play. Every raga I will play. I play everything in this instrument, friends. Every gamakam I will play in this instrument. I am the boss of my body. 5 minutes silence with this greatest thought in your mind. I am the creator of this body. I am the king of my body. I am the king of kings to my body. I am the creator of my body. I am the Srishtikarta of my body. I am the Sthitikarta of my body. I am the Layakarta of my body, which means I am the creator of my body. I am making it surviving of my body. Whenever I want, I will make it Layam with the God of my body. No old age comes for me. I will happily jump around. I will dance for 1,000 years. I will do all steps in this 1,000 years. This is 2020, friends. I'll stay here until 3020. We will do Mahila Dhyana Mahachakra for next 1,000 years. Our keyboards will play for next 1,000 years. 1,000 years will be spent happily, healthy, cherishing, and we all will enjoy with jumping, bouncing, and dancing. 1 minute, friends. Be in silence. Be in silence with only one thought. 1,000 years in this physical body. We are playing this violin 1,000 years. We are playing this sitara 1,000 years. We are playing this flute for 1,000 years, friends. We will play these drums for 1,000 years. We will play this keyboard for next 1,000 years. All will listen my songs for next 1,000 years. I will see you all meditating for next 1,000 years. I am living happily in this physical body for next 1,000 years. 30 seconds, friends. If you change your thinking, you change your life. To change your life, you should change your thinking. How your boat will go, whichever direction you are in, it will go right. How your car will go, wherever the steering direction, it will go right. You are going to Vijayawada or Hyderabad or Bangalore or Delhi. Which destination? Whichever the direction whichever the direction you are driving, it will go right. Similarly, our body will go, whatever we are thinking, it will go, friends. Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let us all clap. We are going to live for 1,000 years.